Turning vision into milestones. How real businesses grow. Big visions inspire, but goals build. Your vision is just the starting point. To make it real, you need strategic milestones. Think of milestones like checkpoints on a journey. Each one brings you closer to the destination. When you break your big vision into measurable, time-bound goals, you stay focused, track your progress, build momentum. Without milestones, your business path is guesswork. With milestones, it's strategy. Milestones take the weight off your shoulders, one clear step at a time. Every achievement, no matter how small, builds confidence, builds skill, builds success. Big visions don't build businesses. Executing milestones does. Follow for more strategies that build real businesses.